what's up guys? I just wanted to do a review on this really cool kitchen chef's knife. Now I like the fact that it comes in this leather sheath, because if you're mainly going to be using this for camping or outdoors, then obviously this leather is going to really come in handy. And not to mention that it looks really good. But for me, I'm mainly going to be using this for the kitchen, so I'm going to be removing it and I'm going to be putting it into my daily cooking rotation. So overall, I have done a couple of cuts, not extensively, but I have used it a little. And to be honest, I'm very pleased as to the performance and just the look and the feel of this knife. You can definitely feel a high quality knife when you hold one, and this is definitely it. So the blade is high carbon steel. It's 2.5 millimeters thick for any hard heavy duty work. And the weight of this knife is 265 grams. So it's not the lightest, but it's not the heaviest either. Very comfortable weight, and it feels very good in the hand, especially because of the curve. It kind of gives you that comfortable feel, almost like you want to just drop the knife. Very nice. So this knife is marketed for fish, vegetables, meat, fruits. So pretty much a very well-rounded knife that you can use for anything. Overall, I think this is a great looking knife. I'm very happy that I have it, and I'm definitely looking forward to seeing how it holds up in the years to come. Overall, I'm very happy with this knife. I definitely recommend it.